For over 60 years, the industry has trusted Dexter's safety-critical engineered product solutions for trailers. Our rugged, dependable, and American-made trailer parts and accessories have stood the test of time. We take pride in the trust that we have built over the years because our customers are unwilling to settle for second best, and neither are we. That's the Dexter difference. At Dexter, we expect that our products perform reliably. Because of that expectation, we have invested in new designs, processes, and technologies across the company. These investments have helped us create and implement the most comprehensive product offering, efficient manufacturing processes with the highest quality available in the market. At Dexter, we provide our customers the broadest product offering and best distribution network to keep you supplied. So whether you're looking for replacement parts, trailer accessories, or trailer running gear, Dexter is by your side, together carrying what matters most.